Do you care about your car? Then check this out. This is the power of graphene. Ducky here with ShineMD, the best way to get a glass-like shine and diamond-like protection for your car. Want to keep your car cleaner for longer while saving time and money doing it? Well, keep watching. Now, we all try our best to keep our cars washed and waxed, but at the end of the day, there's no hiding it from the abuse of the elements. Whether it's dirt, brake dust, oily road grime, bugs, tree sap, pollen, or leaves. All these different things are always contaminating and dirtying up our car. And whatever doesn't scratch the paint going on will still do damage when it comes off, creating swirl marks. Even if you avoided every single scratch, things like contaminated rainwater and harsh sunlight break down paint on a chemical level. You probably know a few ways to fight against that. Some people dedicate hours every week to properly washing their car. Some of you may spend thousands of dollars every year on professional details. Neither option is a great one. So we created one spray with two of the world's strongest nanotechnologies to give you ShineMD. To use it, it's as simple as spraying it right on, rubbing it in with a microfiber towel, and wiping it down once it dries. Our hybrid formula is going to give you that glass-like shine like an old school wax, but with better protection than spray-on ceramics. The protective layer is completely water repellent, and as you can see in the friction test, when we apply to one side and not the other, the bottle practically floats off the protective surface. If the bottle has this hard of a time grabbing onto your paint, contaminants and debris will too, keeping your car cleaner longer. Even when it rains, cars with ShineMD repel dirt so well it'll stick to the rain instead of your paint, turning a rainy day into a free car wash. All this in one bottle that anyone can use in as short as 20 minutes, giving them 6 months of full protection at a time or more. Reviews have already poured in saying things like, "I've been a professional detailer for almost 20 years and I really love this product." Or, "I barely need to wash the car anymore. Rinsing almost always takes all the dirt off." People like seeing the difference ShineMD makes on day one and love the difference it makes in the long run. Our customers are everything to us, so we offer a no-risk money-back guarantee. If you use ShineMD and for whatever reason you don't like it, or your car is just so shiny turns your neighbors against you, we offer a full 100% no-risk money-back guarantee. All of our products are custom formulations that are created and developed right here in the United States by a small team of real car enthusiasts who know how important your car is to you. I just saw my first car parked in the street when I was 16. And by I mean that guy. By the way, that's the real Ducky. He's great at a lot of things. Just not talking to a camera. We know it really matters. And because of that, the ShineMD community now includes anybody from van lifers to car collectors to Harley stunt riders, all joining us on our mission to protect and shine, so we can ditch the velvet ropes and the plastic bubbles and enjoy our cars out on the road where they belong. ShineMD is $69.85 per bottle, but if you check out on this page today, we're going to offer you a special 15% additional discount for visitors from this video only, and that's only if you check out on this page below. If you buy 2 bottles, you'll get a bottle free. If you buy 3 bottles, you'll get 2 bottles free, as well as that discount. If you buy 2 or more, we're giving you free shipping on everything. So click the link below on this page to check out, get your hands on ShineMD today.